Hey everyone, HVAC Repair Guy here. I've spent years in the field fixing these things. Today we're putting two brands head to head, AireForce and Aux. If you're looking for a ductless mini split, you've probably seen these names pop up. But which one is worth your hard-earned cash? Let's look at the specs and find out. To keep things fair, I'm comparing two models from the same class. We're looking at the AireForce 22 SEER2 Multi-Zone versus the Aux AFEB, both from the premium category. Let's talk efficiency first. The AireForce model sits at a 22 SEER rating. The Aux AFEB matches that exactly with a 22 SEER rating as well. Both use variable speed condensers and compressors, which is what you want for steady comfort. Now, let's look at the features. Both of these units are Wi-Fi enabled and offer voice control. The AireForce 22 SEER2 is a multi-zone powerhouse capable of handling up to 5 zones. The Aux AFEB we're looking at is a single zone unit. When it comes to noise, the AireForce indoor unit is a bit louder at 22 decibels compared to the Aux AFEB, which hums along at a very quiet 20 decibels. On the outside, however, the Aux is quieter at 51 decibels, while the AireForce hits 56. Before I get into the warranties and my final pick, I want to hear from you. Are you planning to install your mini split yourself, or are you hiring a pro to handle the job? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'll be down there answering what I can. All right, let's talk about what happens if something goes wrong. This is where these two really drift apart. AireForce offers a 5-year warranty on the unit and 7 years on the compressor. But here's the catch. It's a dealer-only brand. You've got to go through a pro to get it, and a dealer is required for the install. The Aux AFEB, on the other hand, is a beast on paper for protection. It comes with a 12-year warranty on the unit and a 12-year warranty on the compressor. Plus, it's available across the USA, Canada, and Mexico. While they recommend a pro, a dealer isn't strictly required to purchase it. So, what's the verdict? If you need a complex multi-zone setup and want a dealer to handle everything from start to finish, AireForce is a solid standard choice. But if I'm putting my name on a recommendation, my final pick is the Aux AFEB. That 12-year compressor warranty is hard to beat. It operates significantly quieter, both inside and out, and it gives you more flexibility on how you buy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unbiased HVAC reviews.